This segment will divulge how a SAF trooper is selected and trained for its various missions. Earning the SAF beret has biblical connotations in that many answer the call, but few are chosen. Indeed, the selection and training is so rigorous that only the best of the best survive the course, because a SAF trooper must be a clear-headed and tireless, multi-role, all-weather, and all-terrain warrior.
You have to be very strong. You have to have the right attitude.
I'm pretty much my mindset. I'm going to join this unit.
In fact, I was already puking my guts out.
We push everybody to the limit.
Ang nakasulat lang sa placard, there's nothing in this course but pain.
It's the willingness to serve and die doing that job. Yun ang napakabigat. Kaya ang basic requirement was he should be a volunteer officer or volunteer soldier to join SAF.
Extensive yung interview portion namin sa recruit. Tatanungin, ba't gusto mo pumasok sa SAF? Kailangan yung individual na may initiative. They should be patriotic. Kasi alam nilang mahirap yung dadaanan nila eh. Training pa lang, mahirap na eh. And much more dun sa deployment nila.
Before SAF trooper graduates from the commando course, you have to undergo the testing. And you cannot graduate unless you have an encounter with the enemy.
Yung motto kasi ng SAF, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle. So, kahit anong hirap yan, doon namin na-realize nung nag-test mission na kami. Yun palang purpose sa kahirap-hirap ng training ng daanan namin sa SAF.
SAF's foundation course, the Commando course, is represented by the tabak, or jungle knife. The wings symbolize the airborne course. The crosshair represents the urban counter-revolutionary warfare course, and the water embodies the scuba course.
Pinaghirapan namin to. Pawis, dugo, lahat. Nandito na. Pag nabigyan ka ng beret, parang sabi nga nila parang wala kang kamatayan eh.
We were trained and we were conditioned to fight to the best of our ability, to fight the enemies of the state, making a difference wherever you are, whatever circumstances you're in. I think that's the most fulfilling